This is a 508 mixed-use apartment buildings located in downtown Denver. The owner is Shorenstein. Architect is SAR. It was built by Saunders Construction with $153 million budget in 28 months. Construction started March 2016. There are a total of 150 caissons on the project. Each caisson is laid out with center of piers, top of concrete elevation, and depth of bedrock penetration on a survey stick. Next, you'll see a video of the drilling process. Once drilling is complete, the rebar cage will be dropped into the hole. Sonotube is used when the top of concrete elevation is higher than the current ground elevation. It is a concrete formed to withstand heavy pressure of wet concrete. The dowels shown are projecting from the rebar cage for connection to either pier caps or grade beam. Soldier beam supports the foundation wall. Wood legging spans between each soldier beam and is connected using anchor bolts. It resists the load of retained soil and transfers it to the piles. Waterproofing mat was installed on the surface of wood legging. Wall mat rebar gets installed to provide structural tension support to the shotcrete wall. Forming of concrete columns. Once form is set, rebar cage will be plumbed prior to concrete pour. Prior to installing crane mat foundation rebar, the crane base has to be set first, then the rebar will form around it.
Metal framing was used as the interior framing. As shown, metal king studs, jack studs, headers, bottom tracks, and stud packs were used for interior framing, including the walls and soffit. Double studs were used at door openings to carry the weight of the door frame and the door. Horizontal steel straps were placed every third point to prevent rotation of studs under loads. Studs with punch-outs were used to allow cables to run through them. Vertical dowels are tied to the deck top mat using tight wires to make sure the dowels stay in place. Dowels are spaced 4 feet on center. After placing the CMUs, base course is set and the void is filled with grout before setting another layer of course on top. After a new layer of CMUs is placed, mortar is placed only on the face shells. For finishing, trowel mortar joint is utilized here as this technique is very easy and fast. The wall is secured to a plate at the top that has been embedded into concrete to prevent wall from moving.
The biggest challenge that you have faced on the project?
Project this size, the biggest challenge was trying to get through phase turnover, battling with inspections, unit finishes, architects' expectations, and just the difficulty in sequencing that has on a schedule.
Thank you, Garrett.
Formwork was placed to divide the sidewalk in sections. The surrounding areas were protected with plastic to avoid any spills. Rebar dowels were installed to allow concrete expansion and contraction. Concrete was delivered using an open chute from a mixer. A crew started to screed the concrete using 2x4s. After screeding was done, a valve float was used to provide a smooth surface. Control joints were formed in the sidewalk to provide a weak area for the concrete to crack.